firstCustomer Intelligence can provide you with operational analytics to measure employee performance, improve compliance to policies, help devise your service strategy, and drive your digital engagement. We enabled a leading UK TV subscription service to improve their NPS score by 14 points, alongside a 5% reduction in call handling time, by evaluating and improving the process in the customer journey based on our analytics from FCI. firstCustomer Intelligence has the toolset to handle any type of data and drive actionable insights that can transform your business decision-making process, reduce waste, enhance profits, and improve the overall customer experience. Stay ahead of customer expectations with Firstsource.